Sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Hello.
Today we're back for another HelloFresh review. And guys, we didn't even realize that it's been 6 months since we did a HelloFresh review.
Been a long time.
I know, like I look back at my analytics and I'm like, our last video was 6 months ago. And we've been getting boxes, but I don't know, our schedules haven't been lining up to make them. So we are back and we're gonna try to do them more consistently for you guys. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's open it up and see what we got this week.
What is this?
Now, as you guys know, it always comes with the recipe cards. So this week we got beef and cheese tostadas. Ooh. Ooh. We got sesame soy pork bowls. Ooh. And then we have cheesy smothered mushroom chicken.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Yes. And as you guys know, it comes in this insulated box. And this is how the meals come. So, but this week, guys, they had an add-on of
What we got there?
Clam Shack Gumbo.
Oh man.
And I thought that looked good, so I added it on. So how HelloFresh works, if you've never used it before, is that they give you a selection of 3 meals. They kind of pre-select them based on what you normally pick or what you told them that your diet is. You can pick like vegetarian, meat and vegetables, things like that. So we pick family friendly or meats and vegetables, something like that. But then it kind of gives you extra stuff that you can add on. So these are the 3 meals. We have our sesame soy pork bowls. We have our beef and cheese tostadas. And last but not least, we have our cheesy smothered chicken.
Nice.
And then, as you guys know, it has another piece of cardboard, an ice pack, which is now melted because we had it in the fridge waiting to do this video. And then they have the meat at the bottom. So the meat is, we have the chicken cutlets, we have the ground pork, and then we have the ground beef. So let's get into this box, guys.
He also has another
ice pack, which is melted. Like I said, we put the whole box in the refrigerator because we were waiting to shoot this video for you guys. Okay, guys, so these are the meals. Like I said, in the bags come all the ingredients. This is the sesame soy pork bowls with the ground pork. And then it comes with the recipe card that gives you instructions on the back of how to prepare the meal. And like we told you guys before, it gives you the prep time, the cook time, and the calories per meal. So this is the sesame pork bowls. This is the beef and cheese enchiladas with the ground beef and the ingredients in the bag. And then we have the cheesy smothered mushroom chicken with the chicken cutlets and the cheesy mushroom chicken recipe card. And then, guys, we have that gumbo that we added on this week as an extra. So this is what we got. So if you've been watching our videos, then you know that I always let him pick which meal we're gonna go with first. So what you going with, babe? Which one?
Normally, All this looks good. I mean, it's a hard decision, but honestly, I gotta go with the gumbo.
The gumbo.
Oh man, it looks like it's a real big container, and it looks like it can feed both of us tonight. So that's what we're gonna go with.
We
the
going
gumbo.
with the gumbo, the add-on. Not even one of the regular meals. We going with the add-on. So this is the gumbo, and we've already messed up because we've already opened the bag. We had already opened the bag and then read the instructions, and it said that we were supposed to actually boil it in the bag, but whatever. So it did come in this bag, but we've already put it in the pot, so we're just going to show you that. Look at that, babe.
Oh man, that looks good. I can't wait to try it.
So yeah, since we had already opened the bag, we're just gonna simmer it in a pot. It said to boil it for 20 minutes, so we're just gonna simmer it in this pot for 20 minutes, and then we'll serve it up and we'll let you guys know what we think about it. This was a really, really easy video.
Quick.
Okay guys, so 20 minutes, and this is how it came out. We done played it. Okay, so my 1 to 10, this is like as far as a HelloFresh meal, not as far as like gumbo, because I've only had gumbo like twice in my life. So as far as a HelloFresh meal, 1 to 10, I give it a 9.999. What do you give?
Well, for me, I haven't had a lot of gumbo, so I can't really compare with anything else. But from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 10 for the HelloFresh meal. Definitely something you guys gotta get, and I recommend.
So, thank you. We really, really, really like this one. I'm so glad we started with this. So as you guys know, I am going to link a coupon code below. If you never tried HelloFresh, I have a coupon code for $100 off your first time ordering with HelloFresh. Yeah, they've upped my coupon. I don't know if we've ordered a lot or if you guys ordered a lot. I don't know, but they upped my coupon from $40 to $100 off. So I'm gonna link that below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Try this gumbo the next time it comes around. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Definitely.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Sweet life, sweet life, sweet.